opening gates with my keys and doing normal everyday activity becomes very difficult when you have a dog on top of you, you know, and you have to work with the dog to make sure you're balanced and all that, you know. Try doing day-to-day activity with a gigantic dog on your back. This is a full-sized adult dog on my back. And it's very difficult to do just regular day-to-day things. It has to be comfortable. You have to be ready to switch the dog's position for different reasons. If I want to shoulder this rifle, I have to move this dog realistically to effectively, at least, shoulder this rifle, right? And it's good stress inoculation. It's just good everything. And it gets you used to dealing with things under stress. It also is good for building muscle. It's good for building muscle when you run around. I don't know how much I'm carrying. Probably approaching 200. Somewhere in the realm of like 160 to 200 pounds of gear that I'm carrying right now. Oh. See, you have to learn to work with your dog. Your dog is going to want to shift. What I would do if you're going to actually practice firing while doing this is I would only use pepper ball for that. This is actually an airsoft weapon, and I'm just using this for reference. Before you would ever fire real shots from this stuff, you would want to be confident that you could do this with the representations of this. You got to get the legs, you know, of the dog you're working with. You got to learn how to navigate the legs. If you got a backpack on, it helps, but you need to know how to do it without a backpack too. They definitely like a backpack, especially a big one, because it can help them brace. This is not very dangerous to the dog if you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, this is 100% safe. And slowly, the dog will become more and more comfortable with it. This one is still getting used to it, but slowly but surely she's coming around to it. We're gonna let her down now. This is how you safely let her down. Guys, if you like this video, take the challenge, do it yourself. Also, make sure to leave a comment and make sure to hit the like button and all that. I'll do all the YouTube-y stuff. Check out my store, you know. You don't got to buy anything, just check it out, you know. See if there's anything you like. I sell some pretty unique things on there. Anyways, I'll see you guys in the next one. Jordan Jareb signing off.